Welcome to Smart Tool Buddy. In this video, we are going to review on Wolfbox G840s Full HD Smart Rearview Mirror for cars and trucks. Elevate your driving safety with this mirror dash cam. This advanced rearview mirror camera combines high-resolution imaging, comprehensive coverage, and enhanced night vision to provide a superior driving experience and peace of mind. Key features: upgraded stunning 4K UHD. Enjoy crystal clear recordings with the front camera's resolution, upgraded to 2160p, delivering stunning 4K front images and 1080p rear images. The full rear display is 1.5 times larger than standard rearview mirrors, significantly reducing blind spots and enhancing rear visibility. 12-foot, larger screen and broad view. The G840s features a 12-inch, 2.5D curved screen that perfectly integrates with the existing mirror for a sleek, OEM look. With 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lenses, it offers an ultra-wide view, minimizing blind spots for safer driving and reversing. The Smart Screen Split function allows you to view both front and rear cameras simultaneously, clear image and enhanced night vision. Equipped with a high-quality chip and advanced technologies including WDR and HDR, this mirror camera balances lighting for clear images in various conditions. The Starvis sensor and 6-glass lens enhance night vision, making driving in low-light environments effortless. GPS tracking all the time. 24H precise parking monitor. The G840s includes a time-lapse mode for low FPS recording, allowing continuous monitoring of your vehicle even when parked. This feature ensures that your car is protected and recorded while saving power and storage capacity. Why purchase this product? Enhanced safety. The high-resolution 4K front camera and wide-angle lenses provide comprehensive coverage, reducing blind spots and enhancing safety while driving and reversing. Superior night vision. With advanced night vision technology, the G840s ensures clear recordings in low-light conditions, making nighttime and challenging lighting situations easier to navigate. Convenient GPS tracking. Real-time tracking and playback of recorded videos with GPS metrics offer detailed location data and added security. Reliable parking monitoring. The 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse mode ensures that your vehicle remains secure and monitored, even when you're not around. User-friendly design. The large,